Howdy doody, guys. Doing a little wife swap today. He's gonna be on my WR200, and you know, since he's shorter, he might actually enjoy it a little more and be able to get more out of it. And me, I'm gonna be riding the WR250F because I want to experience this thing off-road. I only have to ride it on the street. All you gotta do on this bike is just twist the key and then to up and down position, and then just touch the yellow button and you're good. Alright. I don't know if we can pass through here. Can we go through? It's okay to go through? All right. Oh shit, I didn't even know he was still back there. Oh man, this thing's so smooth on the dirt. Makes me realize how soft my suspension is on my DR. Oh, it's so cool to see my bike from a third person. This is still the stock WR250F that you guys saw me do the little first ride and review on. I don't know if my smokes from the tires fucking him up or not. He does got goggles on, thankfully. Whereas me, if I was behind him, I'd probably be getting my fucking eyes goody hole raped with dust. One thing I can tell from this bike already is the amount of pulling power this thing has. It'll go up any fucking any hill. There's bees all around here, so yeah, this bike soaks up the bumps like a baseline hooker on Blowjob Friday. Look at all those bees. That's exactly why I have my helmet closed. I ain't trying to get some bee asshole hit me in the face. You okay? Oh man, the pull this thing has is just incredible. Not to mention the beautiful brakes. I just touch my foot on the brake and it wants to just lock. It's so good. This thing pulls like a freight train. This thing, I can only imagine how good this thing probably feels when it's opened up like a goody hole. Alright, so we're gonna hit this little table topper area. Well, table topper, it's not even what these things are. A little mound area. This little makeshift one. Woo. See, I knew his bike would handle this like a goody hole. You could just feel this thing going. I think he's just taking it easy because he knows he's on my bike. I wouldn't care if he got on it a bit. If you guys can tell right there from his camera, if you can tell, this thing kind of, compared to my bike at least, it pulls like a dickhead at a bar mitzvah.
Say what?
Oh man, man, this actually, I like the power on here because it's like, it's instant delivery. Even for a carved bike, man, it sure does feel like compared to my 636's throttle response, and that's fuel injected, this thing feels pretty damn fuel injected. This thing, like, this shifter on this thing is so high, I don't even know why they would make it like that from factory. Oh, this murky goody hole action. Ooh. This used to just be dirt and all this shit, just grew all these fresh sunflowers and all this fresh shit. If anybody's looking for like an off-road bike, I mean, if you don't have like no, means of, if you don't need no street legalness from it, the WR250F, it's a 5-speed and all, and I can tell just from this being a bone stock bike that needs a few things to make it a nice little ripping machine. This is a beautiful purchase. I mean, liquid cooled, solid ass frame. Like, there's no play in this frame whatsoever. It's just solid as shit. Let me see if this is something that's hittable. Hit this little section real quick. So, ready? This shit's wicked. Alright, ready? I was wanting to catch some air on this, so I'm gonna go back through this little section real quick. Now I'm back on my bitch that I know, like the back of my dicket. Oh shit, I'm already used to his bike just from that little bit of riding it. Oh god. Sunset look nice though. My bike can romp through the trails. I think he was just taking it easy. Ride two bikes within one period, especially when you give a little time on both of them and you get a little used to them, then you just like, oh, what the fuck? That berm right there. That shit's sick right there. Makes me wonder if there's jump. Oh, there is jumps. Look right there. Oh man. Fuck, I hope there's no deep rivets down there. I see a tire mark right there, like someone's done it. Oh, he's going for it. Oh, what a way to make me look like a pussy. He's like, alright, you don't want to go? I'll go. Woo. Oh, shit! Oh, that hit me in my nutsack. Oh, that shit straight nutsack patty whacked me. Damn, this is a workout if there ever was one. Oh god! Ooh. Feels like I got some fucking fat chick riding the shit out of my dickhead. Oh man. Dude, all this time riding here and I never knew this was here. That shit's knocking me off my tip. I don't got the suspension for this shit. His bike does. I don't. Ooh, shit. Ooh. Not the setup for me right here. Oh shit. Of course. This is literally my first time ever hitting this whole section. Probably gonna jump down at least and hit a damn hole and land on break my tip. Oh, is that where this starts out right here? Oh fuck. Good?
I was catching my quick to you before I turned.
Alright, push. Push left, push left. Steer left, steer left. This way. Alright, there you go. Just go right here. Have a good one. Oh man, so we just had some fun on the dirt. One of my favorite riding spots out here. Now to go home. Well guys, I appreciate you stopping by once again to watch today's dual sport adventure with WR250F. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit the... Hold on. Get out of that like button, and you guys have yourselves a great day.